What was that for? I'm sorry. That's what you get, nerd. Isn't that kind of mean? Shut up. Hey, Popcorn. What are you drawing? I'm drawing a character from Planet Battles. His name is Lucas Nightcrawler. Interesting. Speaking of which, have you watched Planet Battles 4? It's basically where make this stop. Sigh. Blackberry, what's wrong? I'm just depressed. I know how to cheer you up. Just great. Come on, Bamboo. Keep up. We have to keep looking. I mean, I kind of see something over there. Really? Oh, never mind. It's just Square. Oh. Hi, Square. You know, Square isn't alive, right? Square is perfectly alive. In fact, he's my best client. He can't talk, so he couldn't reject your offer. Shut the... Take cover! Insert screaming here. Kabloom! CGI effects, go! Welcome, one and all, to Magic Battle. 15 contestants, 1 prize. This is Magic Battle. Stacy, just let me see the kids again. Anyway. Who are you? I'm Top Hat. You guys will be competing for my magical powers. I've always wanted to have magical powers. I'm in. Alright, let's settle the teams. This is Team Popcorn. This is Team Bowling Ball. And this is Team Bamboo. I don't know where that ice cream girl came from, but she's just there. Don't complain. Alright, set off your fireworks. If your firework is green, you're safe. If it's red, your team is up for elimination. Go. Oh, my color is green. So is mine. Red. Dang it. Viewers, vote to eliminate a contestant. Voting ends in like a week or something. I don't know. I'm just trying to get attention. Anyway, this episode might be short, but the next episode will be longer. I promise. Okay. See you guys. Bye. Bye.